I'm Jeff with XDP, and today we're here with Lavon from Firepunk. We're going to talk about the Comp 3 transmission and the Firepunk lineup. Lavon, tell us a little bit about the internals of this trans.
The Firepunk Comp 3 is really the meal deal transmission. This is a full billet transmission. It has the oversized input shaft, oversized output shaft. For an example, you can see the standard size output shaft versus the fat shaft output shaft here. This also has upgraded clutches throughout. It has an added clutch in the third gear direct drum, added clutch in the overdrive, heavy duty second gear band with a billet servo, billet strut, billet anchor, billet accumulator piston, a high pressure valve body, double deep pan. It comes with the converter with the big input shaft hub in it to match for the big input shaft, along with an SFI flex plate. This is really the ideal transmission for the serious enthusiast that wants to make big horsepower.
So Lavon, tell me about where I would use this Comp 3 trans. What application is best?
Application, really any truck that you're turning the power all the way up, you're wanting to make 1,000 plus horsepower and you want to go racing on a regular basis, this is it. We use this in my personal 04 truck that I competed in Diesel Power Challenge with. Won Diesel Power Challenge 2014 and 2015 with it. And since then we've won the ODSS Point Series race. We still run the 670 index, which is like a 1050 quarter mile time in a 7,700 pound truck. I'll still tow a trailer with it. And this is also the same transmission we put in our Firepunk Pro Street truck that we've won UCC with 3 times. It's held over 2,500 horsepower. You know, we ran a 497 at 151 mile an hour in the 8th. We went 788 at 181 mile an hour in the quarter. It really is, it's pretty much the best that a 48RE has to offer.
So that wraps it up for the Comp 3 from Firepunk. We'd like to thank Lavon for being here today, and to find out more about a Firepunk trans for your truck, check out xdp.com.